Hey and howdy everyone, it's Jeannie with Paper Pixie Ink. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing a very simple walkthrough of a very simple project that I wanted to share with you because I love making these for gifts. They come together pretty easily. Once you make one, the rest kind of come together really quick because most of your cuts are all very similar, and when you make this size using a 6x8 paper pad, which is what I did, it's pretty simple as well because all of them are made so that the page just goes on. So this was made using the Simple Things paper pad. This is the 6x8. It's from Park Lane, which is Joanne's brand. It's just like a fall themed one that's in, you know, grays and beiges and browns and blacks. It does have a little bit of like clear embossing on some of the pages, so it's kind of cool that way as well. I just thought it made a really fun, you know, fall project. So I will have a tutorial on this available hopefully soon. It is really easy. It might not seem that way, but I promise it is. And I make a bunch of them usually at once. Again, if you use a 6x8 paper pad, you can do a lot of your work all at once instead of having to like do them individually because you only have a few basic cut sizes. So really easy. This here, it just says my favorite time of year, and it was actually one of the tags from the collection. I just cut it out and matted it on some black cardstock. These flowers here, I made these using the Cinch and Go Poinsettia set from Spellbinders. I just layer a couple of the same size flowers, and these have just some stamens that I put in the center, and I use hot glue because I find it easier to get them to stay put quickly. This here is just a frame that I created, and it will hold a 3.5 by 5 photo. I haven't matted anything on here yet because I haven't decided yet what I want to have my pull tab look like, but I will. So this frame I actually created using my Cricut. So all I have to do is put a piece of cardstock on my cutting mat, and I have my two different blades, or my one blade and my scoring tool, and it does it all for me, and then I just have to glue it all together. This gold foil frame on top of the frame that's matted on it is also part of my cut file, so I have that. I like to cheat, I guess. It's a lot easier. The spine I just kept simple, and the back is also very simple, so like I said, it comes together pretty easily. I don't have a closure on it just because, as you can see, even when you add photos, it's not going to take up a lot of space, so it will stay closed easily on its own. Okay, so this is essentially just a waterfall album. I don't even know what to call it. It's not really a folio, it's not really an album per se, because all it is 2 waterfalls, but they have quite a bit of space. So as you can see, there's a lot of mats on here to be had. So lots and lots and lots of space. And these ones are all 3/8 of an inch. I usually do a 1/2 inch between them, but these ones are 3/8 of an inch, just because I wanted to get a little bit more mats in each album. So these are just attached with that one band. You've probably seen me make these lots of times on my channel for other projects, but this one is just a lot of fun. they are magnetized, so they will stay closed. If you go like this, they do, I don't know if you can really see that, but they do kind of fall a little bit, but they will stay put as long as you adhere them properly. So this is the project. Again, I will be doing a tutorial on this. I hope to have it available shortly, so that you can start making some of these projects for yourself for gifts if you so desire. Again, I really like giving them as gifts because there's something that I can personalize, so I can put people's names or years or, you know, date of birth or anything on here. I can personalize it to them relatively easily, and I can give them quite a bit of space to put memories in, and it comes from the heart. It's not, you know, something that I've just purchased. Not that there's anything wrong with that, but I enjoy giving paper crafts as gifts, so this is one of them that I like giving, especially since the holidays will be coming up soon. It seemed appropriate to share with you now. So, as always, if you are interested in seeing more, don't forget to click on that subscribe button, and don't forget to turn on notifications so that you can be notified whenever I have new videos available. Thanks, everyone!